In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the frustrating issue of missing file privileges on Steam. This will help ensure that your games run smoothly without any hiccups caused by file access problems. Let's dive right into it. First, you need to open your Steam application. If you haven't already launched it, simply locate the Steam icon on your desktop or search for it in your Start menu, then double click to open it. Once you have the application open, you'll want to log in. If you're not automatically logged in, click on the login button to get started. Now go ahead and enter your account name and password. Make sure that your details are correct. A single typo might prevent you from logging in successfully. After entering your credentials, click on the sign in button. Once you're logged in and looking at the Steam homepage, the next step is to click on the Steam option located in the top left corner of the window. Doing so will open a drop-down menu where you will find the Settings option. Click on Settings and a new window will pop up. Here, navigate to the Storage section. In the Storage section, you'll see a list of your current Steam library folders. Look to the right of the storage entry and click on the three dots or ellipsis. It serves as a menu button where you'll find the Repair Library Folder option. Selecting this will initiate a brief process where Steam checks and repairs issues within your file system, which often resolves missing file privileges. After you've repaired the library, stay in the settings window, and from there head over to the download section. Here you're going to see an option to clear cache. Click on that. Clearing the download cache will help if any old data files are causing the problem. Note that clearing the cache will require you to log in again after Steam restarts, so be sure you have your login information handy. You'll see a prompt asking you to restart Steam. Go ahead and comply with that. Once Steam restarts, return to your library tab. Here, locate the game that was causing issues, select it and right click. From the context menu that appears, choose Properties. Inside the Properties window, switch to the Installed Files section. This is where you'll find the option to verify the integrity of the game files. Click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. This process checks for any file discrepancies or missing files and automatically replaces them as needed. Following these steps should resolve the missing file privileges issue, allowing you to enjoy your games without interruptions. Thanks for watching and happy gaming.